Hello and welcome to my portfolio in Facebook ads. For this portfolio, I'll be using my family's business, PNS Capital. Let's get started. So here in the campaign for PNS Capital, our goal for this campaign is to generate a potential mortgage financing leads from prospective clients in the Philippines. So our campaign objective is lead generation. So let's go to the campaign. So starting with the ad campaign, this is the campaign name for PNS Capital. PNS Capital Lead Generation Business Owners August 2026. For the campaign details, its buying type is auction. Cam- the campaign objective is leads. Yeah. For the budget strategy is campaign budget, and for our daily budget, it's 500 pesos. For the other sections of this ad campaign, I've kept it in its default. So for here, it's none. And then for A/B testing, it's off. Here is the ad set. So the ad set name is Business Owners Philippines 25 to 65 plus years old lead form. Here in conversion, our conversion location is Instant Forms with the performance goal set to maximize the number of leads. And then here in the budget and scheduling, the start date of the ad will be on August 10, 2026 at around 9 a.m. For the audience, I'm targeting people in the Philippines age 25 and above, with all the genders included. So here the age range is 25 to 65 plus, and then the genders are all genders. And then here you can write down or list down the detailed targets. So for this ad campaign, I listed down business owners, entrepreneurs, and small business. For the placements, it's automatically set at Advantage Plus. So Meta can distribute the ad across its available placements. So the ad set is therefore designed around a business owner audience while keeping the campaign optimized specifically for lead generation. Moving on to the actual Facebook ad. So here's how the Facebook ad looks like in the ad preview. For the ad creative, I created it in Canva. So here you can see the ad that I've created with the message. The main message is titled Planning to Buy a Property, followed by Let's Find the Right Mortgage Financing for You. And the call to action button is named Get Your Free Consultation. So going back, so the ad name that I have titled is Business Owners Property Financing Static Image. So this is just a label for the ad. And here in the ads manager, identity is set already by default for the Facebook page of PNS Capital and also the Instagram profile. For the ad setup, it's create ad and the format is single image or video. Here the destination. This is where you will create the instant form. Once a person will view the ad, they will go to the form where they will sign up to book a free mortgage consultation. So here uh, I actually created already the form, but I've duplicated it and created a draft so that you can see the content or the how the form that I've created look like. So for the form name, it's PNS Capital Free Mortgage Consultation. For the form type, it's higher intent. And then flexible form delivery, it's set to manual. Next, for the greeting, this is our headline. Let's find the right financing for you. And for the description, planning to buy a property, complete this short form to tell us what you're looking for. And then next, so here, this is where you create the questions for your instant form. So for the form, I just created only one question, which is a multiple choice. So the question is, what are you looking for? And here are the multiple choices. Next, they will also fill up a form to uh, to write down their contact information. So it's important that when you create the instant form, it's required that you should always make sure that you give consent to the people signing up that they will give their contact information. So here, this is where you can create, this is where you add the privacy policy of your business. So for now, I've set it to no privacy policy since our business does not have a privacy policy yet. And then lastly, for the ending, this is where you put the headline for when people submit their form. So thank you for your interest, and then the description, and then the button that they can click on or our call to action once people submitted the form is they can call us through our business number. And also this in here you can connect through messenger with your leads. So so going back to the ad, so here the rest of the sections in the ad is where in here in the instant form nurturing, this is where you enable or disable which channels do you want your leads to engage. So here they can check. We have enabled by default. It's already enabled that the leads that you can chat on Messenger, in Instagram, and through the instant form. And then here in the rest, this is just the preview of the greeting, call to action, and um, FAQs that you've made in your Meta Business Suite. And then here's the ad created. So here, this is the preview of the ad that we made. So here's the caption, and then the headline below the ad, and then the description, and lastly the call to action. And then here you can create an creative testing. So it's optional, but for now we've skipped that part. And then here, this is just to track the conversion events. So the completed campaign follows the full Facebook ad structure. Facebook ad campaign for the overall marketing objective, ad set for the audience, budget, optimization and placements, and the ad for the creative messaging, the call to action, and lead form. In this project, I've demonstrated how I would structure and build a Facebook lead generation campaign from campaign strategy to the actual lead capture experience. Thank you for watching my Facebook ads portfolio.